Are you promoting or are you holding? I ask that every Wednesday, right? And sometimes people don't understand what it is that I'm talking about. I mean, and that makes sense because I'm not being very clear about it. But, I've been saying that for years. I'm not going to change now. So I'll explain to you what it is that I'm talking about. I'm talking about your rank, right? And what we're asking is, are you promoting to a new rank, or are you holding the rank that you currently have? And the way that you can find that out, and the way that you should be tracking your business, is by using the sponsorship drill down. If you go to sponsorship drill down and you look and you see active coaches, then you don't have anything to worry about. You can click on that plus and you can see your coaches, active coaches too. If they are red inactive, what that means is that unless they change, unless some volume goes through their account, whether they order something or a customer orders something, they're going to go inactive Thursday. And if that's something that's going to affect your rank, then you're going to lose rank because of that. If they're black inactive, if the word inactive is in black, then it means that they've been inactive for a while. If you see that somebody's red inactive, what you can do is you can go to your graphical genealogy, or you can actually just click on their name and then look at their order details. And if the day that their Shakeology normally goes out has already passed, then there's a problem, and you probably need to make a phone call to them or to Coach Relations and find out what happened. Because if they're red inactive, then it means that they've probably canceled or at least paused their Shakeology. So, this is something that you need to keep an eye on, because honestly, your rank should only go up. You shouldn't really lose rank, even if it doesn't make a whole lot of difference to you monetarily. I'll be honest with you, it could affect other people, in a really big way if they're trying to promote. And if you lose diamond, then it's going to cause your upline to lose rank too. And and sometimes that's a $40,000 a year deal if you lose rank and then your upline loses rank because of it. But you don't want to do it. I mean, you may not want to do it for your upline, but you want to do it for yourself, right? Because you want to be able to tell your people the reason you need to hold rank is so that your coaches hold rank, right? Once you get to a rank, then hold it.